Alrighty, these are the elevators here at the Quinta Inn in Bloomington, Indiana. Guess what? We got ThyssenKrupp. It's not even a lift, so let's go to 4. Nice smooth leveling. Yes, we are the Quinta Inn and Suites. Let's go back up to 4. Certificate there. It's not having a lift. ThyssenKrupp in your with the Atoll buttons. Yay! And honestly, it's a really nice elevator. Wood cap and everything. There's the lantern there. There we go. Nice and spacious elevators, honestly. Most of the time they would go with one small size and one big one, but these are both big ones. Look at those buttons, Atoll. These are rather large elevators for Quinta Inn. Here we go, mirror. That's actually a building in downtown. There's the certificate there. These are honestly really nice elevators. Atoll buttons. Oh, and yeah, it's not a lift. It's an elevator. Or you should say more hydraulic, but let's watch the door close and watch the indicator. And those are the elevators here. Pretty nice newer hotel here. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.